phone is coming out real briefly. It is rainy and pretty good. Just walked up this big hill. There is a lot of wind today. Yeah, it's windy up here too. One foot in front of the other and keep going. Got about another 15 kilometers left to go today. Hi friends, as you just saw on that video, it is now very rainy, stormy weather on the Camino de Santiago. That is why I don't have very many photos or videos, but I did catch one magical moment on the Camino. Here they come. Very pretty. Very nice. Hello there. Ooh, he's coming right over the middle. Baby. Is it milking time? Me gustan las vacas.
La persona es un poco de cuidado con él.
Yeah, he's got a couple of them going off the wrong way there. Yeah. And there's the last fella, or little girl, I should say. Yes, it's wet, wet, wet. Rain jackets, ponchos, or umbrellas are definitely needed. I saw less than 5 food trucks on the entire Camino de Santiago, including this cute one that is a double-decker bus. As I got closer to Santiago, the rain came down in torrents, leaving much of the Camino de Santiago underwater and muddy. In fact, there were places where I had to just plow right through the puddles because there was nowhere on the sides to walk through, and my shoes were just completely covered in water. Perhaps all this rain at the end of the Camino de Santiago energized me. I walked 28 kilometers, 2 days in a row. I never thought that would be possible. Just one of these moments that you sometimes come across in the Camino. It's playing music here. It's advertising somebody's albergue for pilgrims to come stay in. Like it's saying, it's about 2,000 meters to that albergue. As you peek through here, it's actually showing a little bit of a beach on it. Good thing you're allowed to take photos. Obergo is where I'm planning to spend the night. And then, look at it, it says 20 kilometers to Santiago. Oh, music stopped.